Mastering your public speaking goals with SMART criteria. Hello, English language learners. Today, we are going to delve deep into the world of goal setting for public speaking. And guess what? The secret is in the SMART criteria. Knowing how to set SMART goals can immensely improve your public speaking skills. Let's explore what SMART stands for and how we can effectively use this concept to enhance our public speaking performance. The word SMART is an acronym, each letter representing a specific guiding principle for setting objectives. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's a practical tool that helps create clear, reachable goals, and in our case, for public speaking. Let's break it down further. When setting a goal, it's important that it is specific. In the context of public speaking, a vague goal like, "I want to improve my speaking skills," won't suffice. Instead, consider something like, "I want to reduce the use of filler words in my speeches." This specificity allows for more focused efforts and better progress tracking. Next is measurable. This means your goal should have a quantifiable outcome. It's not enough to simply aim to reduce the use of filler words. Make it measurable by adding by 50% in the next 2 months. Now, you can count and track your filler words during each speech and measure your improvement. The third criterion, achievable, requires you to be realistic. While it's good to aim high, it's also crucial to set goals that are within your capabilities. If you currently use a lot of filler words, reducing them by 90% in a week might not be feasible. So, adjust your goals to make sure they are challenging but still within your reach. The fourth letter stands for relevant. Your goals should align with your broader objectives and be relevant to your needs. If filler words are not an issue for you but maintaining eye contact is, then focus your goals around improving eye contact during your speeches. Lastly, your goal should be time-bound. This simply means setting a deadline. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and can significantly improve your focus and productivity. For instance, "I will improve my eye contact during speeches by practicing on 5 different occasions over the next month," gives you a clear timeline for your goal. That's it. Remember, SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By applying these principles to your public speaking goals, you're setting yourself up for consistent improvement and success. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video helps you on your journey to becoming a better public speaker. See you in the next video.